What's up, YouTube family? It's your boy King. Just doing a quick little update for you guys, man. Just to let you know, I got my new phone finally. FedEx took all day, but you know, hey, it is what it is. Quick thing, Ish Smith signing, Detroit Pistons, Stan Van Gundy, good job. This man is pretty much getting paid nothing. He's a very productive guy. Y'all need to go and do y'all research on this fella. This fella he's a productive dude, man. Just because these players play on a lot of trash teams or something like that don't mean anything, man. Y'all need to find out about this guy, man. Good signing for him. Excellent signing. Excellent to have an agreement with Andre Drummond for 128 million, man. That's not too much. That's just right where he needed to be. So we got that out the way. Next up is KCP. The salary cap next year is expected to go up to 107 million. So even though things don't look, too promising right now, man, next year we have a little bit more money to spend. So good signing for Stan Van Gundy, and he is not done yet. I know a lot of people's like, that's it, No, of course, obviously, he's not done yet. They cannot sign the contracts until July 7th, but tomorrow is Summer League, 3 o'clock, New York Knicks, Detroit Pistons. Definitely will be on, definitely will be doing that live on Periscope. And I will be uploading the video afterward to YouTube. So just wanted to let y'all know those quick things, man. Right now I'm in the process of setting up my phone. I will be doing Periscope tonight. So for you fellas that's late nighters, you can expect to see a man on Periscope tonight, man. I'm gonna be going through the comments. I got like 106 emails from replies to my videos, so I'm gonna try to get to those gradually. But I appreciate all of my subscribers for sticking with me. Nobody unsubscribed, and I really appreciate that, man. So it's your boy King. Just got a quick update for y'all. Let me go ahead and finish setting up this phone, and I promise you, I'm back. I'm back for good. I got my phone. I'll see y'all in a minute.